What if the most powerful thing in the universe is also the most invisible? Imagine a place where time stops, where gravity is infinitely strong, and where the laws of physics simply break down. What if I told you that being sucked into a black hole would turn you into cosmic spaghetti? That these things are so common, there's likely one closer than you think? That they actually don't suck up everything in their path like a giant vacuum cleaner? And that they aren't completely black, they actually glow? We are diving into the ultimate cosmic mystery. Get ready to explore 5 facts about black holes that will warp your perception of space, time, and reality. This is the truth about the universe's most fearsome object. I'm sure many of you, just like me, don't have a full understanding of what black holes really are. But trust me, after watching this video, your entire perspective about the galaxy we live in will completely change. So if you're into space and the mysteries of the universe, I highly recommend. Don't miss this video. Welcome back to Sacho Facts, the place where we explore the edges of reality. When we look up at the night sky, we see light, stars, and galaxies. But the most extreme entities in the cosmos are literally defined by their absence of light, black holes. These are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Today, we're not just defining them, we're exploring the 5 most mind-bending, terrifying, and awe-inspiring facts about these cosmic monsters. Prepare for a crash course in extreme physics. And remember, everything here is 100% verified science. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our next videos. Fact 1. The Cosmic Noodle Machine. If you were to fall into a typical stellar mass black hole, you wouldn't just be crushed. You would undergo a process known scientifically as spaghettification, or the noodle effect. This happens because the gravity pulling on your feet would be exponentially stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. Here's why. Gravity's strength drops rapidly the further you move away from the source. The black hole's singularity, the center point, is so dense that even the smallest distance makes a difference. As you fall, the intense tidal forces would stretch your body vertically and squeeze it horizontally, like squeezing toothpaste out of a tube. You would be elongated into a long, thin strand of atoms before you even reached the event horizon. This dramatic stretching is a horrifying consequence of the black hole's differential gravitational pull, an extreme concept that proves that physics can be truly brutal. So if your weekend plan was to take a little trip into a black hole just for fun, I'd really suggest you think twice about that decision. Fact 2. They don't just suck. Contrary to popular belief, especially in science fiction, black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners that indiscriminately suck up everything in the universe. If the sun were suddenly replaced by a black hole of the exact same mass, nothing would change for Earth. Our orbit would remain precisely the same because the gravitational pull remains the same. A black hole's gravitational field operates just like that of any other massive object, a star, a planet, outside of the event horizon. Objects orbit a black hole at a safe distance just as they orbit a star. Material is only pulled in if it crosses that point of no return. It's a common misconception that black holes are somehow magically more attractive than their stellar counterparts. They simply represent a point where the gravitational field is compressed into a zero-volume singularity. Therefore, a black hole is best thought of as a compact gravitational anchor, not an all-consuming cosmic drain. I know, you might not fully get it the first time you hear it, so I suggest you rewind the video and listen to it one more time. Fact 3. Time stops at the edge. This is where Einstein's relativity truly warps the mind. If you could watch someone fall into a black hole, assuming you could somehow safely hover near the event horizon, you would never actually see them cross it. As the person approaches the edge, their time would appear to slow down relative to your time. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation. The intense gravity near the event horizon warps space-time so dramatically that light emitted from the falling object takes longer and longer to reach you. The person would appear to slow down, freeze just at the edge, and eventually redshift, turn red, until they fade entirely from view. For the person falling, however, time would continue normally. They would cross the event horizon in a finite amount of their own time, but to an outside observer, they would appear frozen forever at the moment of doom. Simply put, time moves very differently for someone falling into a black hole than for the one just watching it happen. From cosmic spaghetti to time being frozen in place, black holes are the universe's greatest scientific wonders. If these facts have made you question your place in the cosmos, get ready, because the next two facts are even more astonishing. We'll cover why black holes aren't truly black and whether there's a black hole currently roaming your galactic backyard. Let's keep going, because I'm sure the next two facts are gonna blow your mind. Fact 4. They are not completely black. Hawking radiation. The name black hole is a bit misleading because, according to theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking, black holes actually glow and evaporate over unfathomable periods of time. This phenomenon is called Hawking radiation. The theory suggests that just outside the event horizon, pairs of virtual particles, a particle and an antiparticle, constantly pop into existence and immediately annihilate each other. Sometimes, however, one particle falls into the black hole while the other escapes. The escaping particle is perceived as a form of radiation, slowly draining energy, mass from the black hole. This means black holes are not perfectly black. They emit a faint, constant thermal glow. For a stellar mass black hole, the evaporation process takes vastly longer than the current age of the universe, so we won't see one disappear soon. But this concept proves that even the ultimate darkness is subject to the rules of quantum mechanics. The smaller the black hole, the faster it radiates, meaning tiny mini black holes would disappear almost instantly in a massive flash of energy. It's really fascinating. Black holes aren't even black, and until now, you probably never even imagined that. Fact 5. Rogue black holes and interstellar wanderers. When a massive star dies and collapses into a black hole, the explosion, supernova that follows, is often asymmetrical. This violent, uneven explosion can give the newly formed black hole a tremendous kick, launching it out of its home galaxy or sending it flying through the interstellar medium at speeds up to millions of miles per hour. These are known as rogue black holes. Because they emit no light and are only detectable by their gravitational effects on surrounding matter, they are incredibly difficult to find. Scientists estimate there could be millions of these rogue stellar mass black holes roaming our own Milky Way galaxy. If one were to pass close to our solar system, it could gravitationally disturb the orbits of planets, potentially causing catastrophic chaos. While the probability of a direct hit is astronomically small, the fact that these silent, invisible gravitational bullets are zipping through our cosmic neighborhood is a truly terrifying thought. Just think about it, how the universe and our solar system are built with such order and precision, and how many strange events happen in the galaxy that we don't even know about. Now it's time to hear from you. Which black hole fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. I really enjoy reading your thoughts and comments, and we make sure to reply to every single one of them. If we successfully warped your reality today, please do us one last favor. Share this video with a fellow space enthusiast, and if you haven't yet, smash that like button and subscribe to join our team of cosmic explorers. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the universe's ultimate mystery. Keep looking up, keep learning, and remember that the things we can't see are often the most powerful. We'll see you next time when we dive into the strangest historical facts about ancient civilizations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Sacho Facts.